suggest you all, no, wait lang, Loco, wait lang. You all need to listen to me. You put the gun down. You don't bother anyone, ha? Don't think that you're nothing, Bulu. You are nothing. So just listen to me. If you all will not free my boy, we will hunt you outside. Yes, you can. I can do that too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, what happened? Nothing.
Naglalag na ako. Ares!
Fuck this shit.
No!
Oh shit, what the fuck? Fuck this bullshit.
Naman. Naman.
Fuck this bull. Oh shit, what the no, shit, oh shit, no. Yo, Carlos, don't play with me, huh? No, I will not give you my passport. Go F yourself, bro. Huh? I'm not giving you anything. No, nothing. Reject. No, reject. Let me free. No, I will give you my passport when you will free me, bro.
The fuck? Tangina. Andala.
Hey, what are you doing, Carlos? Carlos, don't play with me, Carlos. I will kill you, Carlos. Fuck this shit, bro. I don't give a fuck about pussies like you, bro. I don't give a shit. I'm a fucking gangster, bro. You can put me in jail, bro. You can put me in jail. I will go outside. I will see you outside, bro. You're brave here in the green zone, bro.
Ma'am Alice, I can put him a violation. Can you put him 3.1 and 3.2?
Just for you, jail, sir.
Daming Eva si Dark Slayer. Puto ina, banu
Nah,
naman.
I'm not crying, bro. I'm not crying, bro. I will see you. I will see you outside, bro. Don't worry
Okay,
about that.
sir.
Yeah,
Bye,
put
sir.
me in jail already, bro. Yeah, all right. So meet me outside, bro. Meet me outside. Be brave. Be a real man, bro. And meet me outside.
Tangina
Bro.
mo mas.
Be a real man, not pussy.
Parang
Ay,
sinabi sa'yo, Dark Slayer, mukha kang puke. Uy na matanda.
Putang inang mga pulis na yan. Yung G Carlos. Yung